Hey everyone, it's finally a real sunny day after a whole week of gloomy skies. It's good to have the sun back. So I'm all freshened up now and just about to put on some moisturizer and head to the kitchen. And I'll be making some Idiyappam today. I got some frozen Idiyappam last week from South Asian supermarket. So I'll be making egg curry as well. So come along and let's get cooking in a minute. These are the farm fresh eggs that we get from one of my colleagues' friend. So yeah, so we don't buy the eggs from supermarkets. We usually get it fresh from the farm. So cool. This reminds me of my Amma's Idiyappam and mutton roast. Heaven. So let's watch the movie and then I have to take a shower. Then we'll start our preparations for lunch. Yeah, that's pretty much my weekday off. Okay. Okay, and let's get changed first and then we'll go and cook lunch. I'm gonna cook sambar, prawns fry, and also I have a little bit left over of yesterday's thoran. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. This looks so filling, guys. I have been craving for sambar. It's almost been a month. So last week we went for groceries and I got all the stuff. Let's dig in, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna eat now. I'll be probably watching something while having this, and tonight we are going to Nancy's house just to hang out. That's all for today. So thank you so much for watching. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need